Hello and welcome to Lay's YouTube channel. We will have our lesson will be how Windows 10 and tips and tricks that you can easily learn, and it will be easy for you to use your computer. What we are going to do now is how to clean cache on Windows 10. What is actually cache? Cache is a data stored in your computer that can help to make future requests for data faster. So how do you pronounce it? Not cache, but cache. So if I repeat again, what is cache? Cache is data stored in your computer that can help to make future requests for data faster. What is the benefit? The benefit is clearing the cache. For instance, one of the benefits are you can free up your space, you can troubleshoot issues, and you can improve performance of your computer. Stay tuned on Lay's YouTube channel. We will be doing actually 5 steps you can clear your cache in order to free space on your computer, troubleshoot issues, and improve performance so your computer will be faster. Number 1, what we are going to do now is we will go to start, write disk is clean, and then hit disk is clean, I mean, so it will be usually your hard disk C. So you just enter, click OK, and then it will take some time. So you will definitely see temporary files, you can see here. And when you hit that, then you can easily hit cleanup system. It will ask you where it is your hard disk, usually C, and it might take some time. As you can see, it is this cleanup is calculating how much space you will be able to free on C. This might take a few minutes to complete, so it might take some time, and that was the issue we need to do. So let's wait and see how many space that this cleanup will free. Many of you out there, perhaps you don't know, some of them they might know, some of them might be you know, but you forget to do it. So I think it's very, very important to do it. As you can see, temporary. So let's go down, device driver, and then you simply hit Windows temporary also. So are you sure? It will ask you, and then you say permanently. So we are just doing now temporary files cache. It might take some time. As you can see now, it is calculating now. The disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your computer. So I think it's very important to do this. So let us wait and see. It might take some time depending on how many files that your computer will be able to calculate and clean it up. So cleaning up is ongoing. As you can see, temporary Windows installation files. So we have to wait and see how it goes. So I hope it will not ask us to start the computer again, otherwise I will not be able to continue my tips and tricks. So we'll see what will happen next. Okay, so the second most important thing that most of the Windows 10 comes is the Microsoft storage or store, which usually have a lot of stuff in it. So what we do is you can easily either go to Windows key plus R, you can do it, Windows key on your keyboard plus R, and this run up window will come, and then you have to type WSR in capital letter executable, and then enter. As you can see, this window, it is cleaning up now the cache on your Windows Store. On your computer, it will pop up. You will definitely see it. It is cleaning up now. So you can see it has been done. It has been cleaned. So that is done now. So what we are going to do now is also our DNS cache as well, a domain name service. So how do you do it? You simply run a cmd and then right mouse click on the cmd, the command prompt, and then run as administrator, and then allow yes, and then you write ipconfig /flushDNS. So that's what you are going to do, and then hit enter. So as you can see, it says ipconfig configuration successfully flushed and the DNS resolver cache is gone. So what you do is you simply either hit here exit, or you just write exit, enter. So that we have done. So what we do again is your location cache, which is usually on, you hit start, then go to start again, settings, and then you go to privacy, and then you look on the left side location. If you remember our other lesson, which was about Windows privacy and things that you should actually disable, and I've said it in English and in Somali as well, you can see it is here because I have simply disabled all of them. So in this situation, so I just clear here, you can see it, clear location history on this device. There is nothing to, because I have already disabled everything. So our next step would be your browser. There are three browsers, Windows Edge, which is here, and Firefox, and then you have Google Chrome. So in order Google Chrome to clean it up, as you can see now, which is no matter, we just go to Google, and then all we have to do now is either, in order to clear up the history and the cache, what you need to do is simply use your keyboard, control plus shift and delete, and it will show you, that's a shortcut which will show you where the browser data is, which is you can clear it up now. You can see at all time, last 24 hours, whatever choice you make, you can say maybe last 4 days at all time, and then just clear it up, and then it will clear up all the websites you have visited, how long you have been there, what you have done. All this is here. So this is Google Chrome. So let's go to the same thing, Firefox. We should do the same thing, which is control shift plus delete, and it will show you the same thing, which is last hour. For instance, if you have been to this browser, you can easily either clear last hour, last 2 hours, last 4 hours. You can choose, you can make your own selection and simply say maybe last 4 days, everything, for instance, you can day, and then you hit go and it's gone. Third, we are coming to Microsoft's Edge, which is the same thing. Either we can go to privacy and then come to here, what to clear. This will pop up, or the same command also can be used also on your keyboard, Command Control Shift and Delete on your keyboard. If you use that, then the window will pop up, and then you have the opportunity to site permissions and everything. You can simply select and then say at all times or last 24 hours, whatever you like, just clean, and you are done in reality. And that's all for today. I think if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing to Eli's YouTube channel, where we will be able to help you tips and tricks how to do your computer or your Windows, and there will be a series of lessons coming up. Please consider subscribing or hitting that like button. I'll be highly grateful if you would do that, and it will help me to do and continue this work. Thank you very much. Stay tuned with Eli's YouTube channel.